Hi there, in this video, I will be giving you a quick guide on how you can change text size on Discord. So the first thing that you will have to do is make sure that you've already logged into your Discord account. And once you're on your Discord, you will see this gear settings right here or gear icon that says user settings. So just go ahead and click that. And then you will look for the appearance, which is under the app settings. So just go ahead and click that as well. And now that you're here, you will scroll down a little until you see uh the the chat font scaling, which is right here. And then you will just have to adjust the slider to make it either smaller or bigger. So yeah, it's really up to you. So it this is a preview, by the way, of how large or how small your font will be. So yeah, that's basically just it. So please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And please, again, thank you so much for watching this video and have a good day.